Hello everyone. So let's see what the cards have in store for you today. Let's just pull a card out. First, let me pull one card. If I feel, then I'll pull one more. Okay, foundation and achievements. Today is the day of achievements. Today is the day of foundation, maybe today. But when I see this, I feel you should also spend time with the family. You should also spend time with the loved ones. But the rainbow in the sky is something which is actually pulling me, saying that, a lot of good things are going to happen. So maybe this card is saying that, the work will be good. Personal life will be good, and if you are planning to go somewhere, then the trip is going to be amazing. So, and if you feel you need to invest or you need to do something new, then please go with it and do it, because this card I feel is more like an indication that everything is going to go well. I just feel like I should pull the first card here, which I don't know, it feels as if it's pulling me emotional loss. So again, don't take it as a wrong way that the emotional loss is coming here. Maybe you will feel that how good the day went today, and why is it that you didn't do this before, why you didn't spend time with your family before. And somewhere this, I feel you should heal your past. You should come out of things which is hurting you. Maybe because of this you're not spending time with the family, and because of your past you're ignoring your present. So let go of it. Forgive if any of your family member has done anything wrong. Let go of whatever is troubling you and embrace your present and work with it. I don't know, I just felt that I should pick a card related to crystals also. So this is the card which has come. Again, it says, have you been shy about accepting overtures of friendship? So maybe if there's any relationship which has come your way today and you are hesitant whether you should take it or not, whether you should embrace it, whether you should accept it, please accept it. I still remember this crystal. I had first picked more like, it's called as ruby zwarsite, not as ruby in fuchsite, because ruby zwarsite is basically ruby and aventurine, or the amazonite and ruby together. A beautiful crystal. It is still there as one of my personal collections, where you get love, abundance, and your love gets healed. So it's a beautiful card which is saying embrace it, whatever is coming your way. Let go of whatever has happened in the past and just focus on your present and get yourself healed emotionally. And if there's something coming your way newly, if there's any relationship which is coming, maybe it is coming for good, so just accept it. Thank you.